US indices traded mixed today. We have seen slight bearishness here in Nasdaq, where it has moved close to 21,700 levels, while the US 30 and S&P almost traded flat with moderate bullishness. Specifically, the US 30 has shown a good bullishness here. What to expect now? Today, with the US session from the S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the for second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical level. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Let's start first to look into S&P, followed with Nasdaq. In the end, Dow. Watch the S&P on the early charts. The price is retraced here. It is now trading in this bearish channel. Let it come out of this. Once it stays beyond 608586 zone, it is the point where you can say now S&P has turned bullish, and then you can stay with the buys, and we can see it again moving towards 6100. But notice what it is done with 6100. It is the double top levels. These are the record levels which we had seen in the recent past, and thus if it stays beyond 6100, it is going to turn extremely bullish. While I can see that it has also formed a support at 6070. The stochastic rising after forming double bottom, while the MACD is right now trading bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is rising here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts here, yes, the prices were trading with divergence from the 20 period. It has come down to take the support. It is willing to break out. Now a breakout means a move beyond 608586. So yes, that should be ideal buying point for us. And now you can see it taking the support, and thus it is very important to watch out how the S&P behaved at 6070, because a drop below 6070 is a clear sign of reversal here. Notice it is trading in this bullish channel here and hitting the bottom of the channel, trying to bounce back the highs of the channel, and now towards 6120 and plus levels. The stochastic rising, the MACD is right now bearish. It is crossed over here at the top, trading with divergence and bearishness. The RSI, if you look at the RSI, is also dropped here. Coming to 3 hour, look at the 3 hour charts here. Yes, it is trying to reverse here. A potential breakout beyond 608485 should be bring more bullishness towards 609 to 6100 levels. Also here, also the similar observation, every rise also offset with a retracement towards 20 period. It has come close to 20 period, trying to bounce back from the zone, can hit the highs here at 6120. Moving averages trading with divergence and bullishness. Stochastic oversold here. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness, and see this crossover is coming at the top. This suggests that there is lot much of downside is still available for S&P. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone here. Coming to the 4 on the 4-hour charts, also similar observation here. See, it is showing signs of reversal after 3 bearish candle. It can bounce back, but I can say that it is still not to be confirmed bullish as long as 608586 zone is. Why? See here what has happened on the 1s, 2s, 3s. Here it also it can get replicated. It can move towards 20 period moving average, which is right now sitting at around 6040. Now 6040, 6050 is the strongest support here on the downside, below which it should be treated bearish. As long as 6040, 6050 is not taken, do not treat S&P as bearish here. Moving averages here trading with divergence is staying bullish. Stochastic at bottom here, while the MACD has crossed over for a sell, looking downwards. RSI is also coming out of the overbought zone. And on the daily charts, if you notice on the daily charts, see first of all diminishing bearishness, and I can see these two candles at symmetrical here, and thus it is very important for S&P to trade below 6050, below which you can expect greater correction. Notice what S&P has done. It has hit the record levels. It has formed a double top here, and if it has to stay in the box, this could be the beginning of the reversal where the prices might move towards 5800 in the near future, chances for which right now appears less. But yes, any rise has to offset with a little drop, and any move below 5850 is the clear sign of reversal. If you look at the stochastic, this is extremely overbought. The MACD right now trading with divergence is staying bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is rising as well. So looking at this, very simple. I will recommend you to sell at 6070, expect 6064, 6054, and if it breaks below 6050 levels is where you can say more bearishness towards 6035, 6020, and 6000 levels to be seen. On the upside, a buying entry now is at 608586 levels, where you can expect it to move towards 6092 and 6100. Beyond 6100 is where you can say that the bulls are back. We can look forward to 6108, 6120 levels as the next targets. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. Tech 100 on the early charts has consolidated enough here. Wait for a breakout either which ways. A drop below 21,700, 2700 is what you should wait for. And if it drops below 21,700, 2700, in fact, a drop below 21,670 is where you can say now the bears are back. Yes, wait for it to take a direction. So thus you can sell here at 21,720 levels. Expect 21,686, 70, and below that we can expect a greater price correction here. Notice it has formed a very good support, and what it has done here, if it breaches here, it is going to deliver a blow towards 21,600 levels possibly. Let's watch out more. Stochastic at bottom trying to bounce back. MACD bearish here. RSI is flat. On the two, similar observation here on the 2 hour charts. Prices are trading with divergence from the 20 period. It has come down to take the support here from the 20 period. Now, if it breaches 20 period, the direct landing is towards 50 period, which is right now sitting at around 21,600 levels. So possibility exists here. Notice the formation here drop, retracement drop, and now it is waiting for it to take a direction here. Let's wait for it to breach below 21,700 levels. Stochastic oversold trying to recover, while the MACD has crossed over here at the top, trading with divergence and staying bearish. The RSI has come out of the overbought zone as well. On the 3 hour, similar observation. And before we proceed further, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a SWIFT free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the 3 hour charts. Rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Here, yes, it is taking the support here. And once it breaks out beyond this, you can say more bearishness to prevail. And thus, if you see price is trading below 21,720, you can expect it to move to, see now this zone till 21,700 is very important. The 20 period moving average sitting precisely at 21,700 levels. So let it stay below this 21,670, 660 next, and then 21,600 should appear. Below 21,600 is where the Tech 100 should deliver a greater correction towards 21,500. Stochastic oversold here. The MACD trading with divergence and bearishness. The RSI has dropped here. On that on the 4 hour charts, look, it is creating steps here. It is delivering lower highs, and thus right now we have to wait for it to stay below 21,700, 720 zone. And if it stays below 21,700, 720, stay short for 21,670, 650. And then once it trades below 21,650, you can expect a good correction towards 21,600 and 21,500 levels. Yes, it is still trading with too much of divergence, and it is having a lot much of potential for it to drop towards 21,650 and lower levels. The stochastic has bottomed here. The MACD has just crossed over, trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has also come out of the overbought zone, coming to the now on the daily chart. See preceding two candles, one with a bigger tail on the upside, one with a smaller wick on the upside. On the upside, definitely there are greater resistances available for Nasdaq 100 here, and thus we have to be careful. As long as 21,950, 22,000 levels is not taken, we have to be careful. Also notice right now what it is doing. It is forming higher lows, and it can recover. Where you can consider this as bullish, yes, if you see it is staying above 21,840, you can buy for 21,900, 950, and then 22,000 levels here. What we are seeing here is another greater channel which is getting created. Nice flag formation, bearish channel here. The lows here towards 20,500. So on the upside, you have to be careful here. The stochastic overbought, the MACD divergent and bullish, the RSI flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy at 21,800 levels. Expect 21,840, 850 at the first target zone, and then 21,900, 920 at the second. If this is taken, we are looking forward to 21,970 for 22,000 plus levels here. I am still skeptical for such a stronger rise, but these are my on the downside. A selling entry at 21,720, if you see it is staying below 21,727, first support zone at 21,670, 600, 650. And if 21,670, 650 zone is taken, stay short for 21,600, and then below 21,600 is where greater correction should be seen towards 21,500 and 400 levels soon. Let's see which direction it takes today. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to down. US 30 has taken the support from the 20 period and has bounced back. It is taking the support from 44,100 and recovering here. On the upside, it has breached the highs at 44,200, which was the critical milestone, and is now trading above 44,200. So I'll wait for it to stay now below 44,100 levels. That is the only below which slight bearishness to prevail, and then you can expect 44,040 and 43,900. In fact, lower levels can be seen right now. It is not showing any such sign. It is trading in this bullish channel. The highs now are above 44,300 plus levels here. Stochastic rising. The MACD is at the bottom, trying to converge, crossover. RSI rising here. On the 2 hour charts, when you look at the observation is same. After retracing here, couple of bullish candles, and now it has found the resistance. I will wait for it to now stay either below 44,240, 250, because beyond this you can expect it to directly hit 44,300, 360, and then in fact 450, 500 levels to be there. Increasing bullishness, but I will say be cautious here towards 44,240, 250. It can reverse as well. Yes, it is delivering higher lows, higher highs. Also, it is breaching the resistance at 44,200. Good sign here for the bulls. Look at the last few moves here. Rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, and it is again rising. The highs now towards 44,400, 350 zone. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is rising here, coming to 3 hour. Similar observation after the retracement, second bullish candle information, looking upwards, staying bullish. And I will say that it is not that it cannot reverse. Yes, it can reverse from these levels, but yes, only bearishness is towards 44,100 levels, below which you can expect 44,000. And if it stays below 44,000, this time we are looking at 43,900 and 800 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI overbought. Things are overbought here on the 3 hour charts, but it is not willing to give up. On the 4 hour charts, also similar observation, a very good support is created at 44,100, trying to rise from this, and thus you have to be careful here on the upside. Too much of divergence calls for it to converge. Let's wait for it to converge. Stochastic rising, MACD has just crossed over here at the top, trading with little divergence, little bearishness, and this is at extremes, because from here there is only one side, that is downside available. RSI overbought here. Coming to daily charts, things are very much overbought here for US30. Be cautious here on the upside. I'm still warning you. Coming to the daily, look at the daily chart. See, higher highs are done at most till towards 44,250 levels. You should watch out. That should be the first resistance is here, and then 44,350. So till here, greater resistances are available, and on the downside till 44,100 and 44,000, greater support. Yes, it can still reverse. It can still show you swing. This will become the reversal sign. If it stays below 44,000 levels, we can look forward to a greater correction here. Yes, right now it is not showing any such sign. Moving averages are also crossing over here on the upside, again a good sign for the boost, but things are getting overbought here for US30. So looking at this, buy at 44 242.50 levels, expect 44,300 350, and then 44,300 360, and then 44,400. Beyond 44,400, just stay bullish for 44,500 levels as the next milestone which you would like to achieve. On the downside, a selling entry now at 44,160 levels, expect 44,100. And if it trades below 44,100, you can stay short for 44,040,050, and then we can expect it to move towards 44,000. Any drop below 44,000 is a clear sign of bearishness towards 43,900, 43,800 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.